Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install the drivers you need to root your phone or tablet to install a custom recovery to be able to install custom ROMs. Okay, so let's go and start this one. Uh, and this one are the same. I just unzip it, and this is the one we are gonna use. Okay. So first we're gonna install these two. Okay. So let's go with this. Okay, this is your command prompt, the one you're gonna use. Okay, it's right here. Okay, so and this is the other drivers you're gonna need. Just press yes and enter. Again yes and enter. One more time. Say yes. Okay, so finish. Suppose I install these drivers right here, but sometimes you just need to use this one. I want to show you later. Okay, so these two are finished, so now we want to install this one right here. This one is a little more complicated. Okay, so we're going to go to control panel, uh, here, large icons, and find device manager. Okay, it's right here. Right click and do a shortcut. It's going to send it to your desktop. Okay, it's right here. Okay, so we're going to open it, and what we're going to do in here, uh, we're going to highlight this right here, and we're going to go to option and add legacy. Okay, you click next. You're going to do it manually. Okay, go next. Next in here, I have a disk. We're going to browse for the disk right there, and the desktop. This right here. Okay, Windows 7, 64. Okay. If you have 32, you have to use this one. So I open it. Okay. Right there. Click next. Next. Install the drivers software anyway. Let me pause. Okay. Okay. Do not worry about whatever it says in here. Okay. Just click finish, and you're gonna see it right here. But we're gonna do this 3 or 4 times. Okay. So we go back, add legacy, next, manually, next, browse. I have a disk in browse, Windows 7. Okay, now we're gonna use this one right here. We're gonna install this one right here. Okay, so next, next, and finish. Okay, so we're gonna go again. Next, manually, next, next. I have a disk. Browse. Okay. Now we're gonna go to this one right here. Okay. Okay, so we got that one more. Next, manually, next, I have a disk, browse, okay, and we're gonna USB port, okay, so, okay, so, finish. Now we got all this right here. Don't worry about these warnings. It's all fine, okay? Now let's see if you recognize my tablet, okay? Hold on. Okay, let me move this way. I got my Lenovo tablet right here. I'm going to connect it. See, it's installing the drivers. It's going to show it in here. We'll see what happens. See, you can always install the drivers for Lenovo. They always come with it, so, but I'm not going to do that, okay? I'm going to let it, oh, I know what it is. Let me go to use something here. Okay, so now I start recognizing. Okay, so everything is fine. See, Lenovo tab, and I have an SD card in there. It's right here, so it's all good. But now we need something that appears in here, and this is what is gonna help. Okay. Okay. What I needed to do, I went to settings, and I went to developer options, and just click on USB debugging. So these will appear in here, and just right click, install software, find it in my computer. I have a disk. Well, make sure right here. Okay, it definitely is not going to be here. Okay, never mind that. There you go, we have a disk, browse. Remember this one right here. Open, okay, ADB interface, and click next. It's gonna tell you not to, just say install, and this is gonna appear here on top. This one right here. See, now your tablet is ready for anything you want to do. You want to root your tablet, you want to install a custom recovery, a custom ROM, anything, okay? So just to make sure that your tablet or phone is recognized, open this one right here and type ADB devices, and some numbers is going to appear right here. Oh, okay, I had an ADB devices. See right here? That means it's recognized, okay? So to make sure that it's recognized, remember, not only here, you can tell it's right here, and it's all set in here. So you go here and ADB devices, and you see your tablet recognized. And remember to go to settings, go about tablet, and then go to developer options, and this is all you need. So now you can install a custom ROM, you can install a custom recovery, your frame, your phone or tablet. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends. Don't forget to leave a comment, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.